Hello, my name is Violet Powell, and for the fall 2025 semester, I was an intern at Miromar Development. My name is Violet, and I am a communication major with a concentration in public relations and a minor in marketing. I will graduate in the spring 2027 semester, and I am currently president of FPRA at FGCU, a course assistant, and a resident assistant for FGCU Housing. Miromar Development Corporation is a real estate development company that holds a portfolio of residential and commercial properties. Their current holdings in Southwest Florida include Miramar Outlets, Miramar Lakes Beach and Golf Club, Miramar Design Center, and University Village. Miramar Development Corporation is founded and owned by Margaret Antonier. Miramar Development Corporation's headquarters, where I work throughout my internship, is located within Miramar Outlets. My internship takes place from August 18th to December 4th, 2025, and I heard about this opportunity through my internship coordinator, Lindsay Singh. As an intern, I wrote press releases and SEO and GEO targeted blog posts that help boost search rankings, drive web traffic, and showcase local communities and businesses. I also managed and scheduled multi channel content across social media, email, and web platforms, which aligned blog and social media initiatives, which ensured cohesive campaigns, brand consistency, and maximum engagement. I also coordinated with tenant owners and managers to produce on site photography, video, and event content that highlighted products and drove engagement. And I used BrightEdge and Google Analytics to identify underperforming search terms and optimize website and blog content for improved SEO performance. And finally, I tracked and analyzed social media engagement using Meta Business Suite to evaluate campaign performance, uncover trends, and guide future strategy. And I also included some photos with myself and Erin, Miramar Development social media specialist, which sometimes our photo shoots involve dressing up, especially for the holidays. For my career goals, after graduation, I hope to work within the public relations field, within a corporate or an agency organization. For agency, I would just love the opportunity to work with multiple clients of different fields so I can expand my worldview and also just learn more about different businesses. I would also love to utilize SEO and GEO within a role post graduation. So for Miramar Development, I've been able to explore a role within the corporate field, specifically with real estate development on the marketing side. But I still feel like I get the touch of agency, being able to create content for a variety of different tenants. And I've been able to learn about SEO and GE role, which has been an incredibly rewarding experience. My learning outcomes for this internship include SEO strategy, as I was fully exposed to SEO within this internship and I learned how integral it can be for a company's marketing strategy. I learned it through making SEO targeted blog posts, tracking keywords, and analyzing our ranking. I also learned about corporate marketing, as within this role, I mainly focused on marketing initiatives. I was at first wanting to learn more about public relations within this role, but I've been able to learn about how marketing is approached within a corporate environment, which I now find fascinating. And I learned this through attending marketing meetings and then shadowing my mentor's work. I also learned a lot about time management within this internship as I juggled being the president of an RSO, being a course assistant, a resident assistant, and a full time student while doing this internship. I was able to manage this by blocking my schedule, which allowed enough time for me to accomplish all my responsibilities, but then also account for unexpected challenges. My supervisor for this internship was Megan Bone, and out of all the professional experiences I have had, Megan might be one of the best supervisors I have ever worked with. She is Miramar Development's social media manager. She truly looked out for me within this experience and always considered what I can get out of it. From her, I learned how to embody professional behavior, create video content, and track analytics. And I also just want to briefly mention other workers within the marketing department that helped me within this role. Erin is the Miramar Development social media specialist, and I would regularly help her shoot content. And she guided me as I was getting started and was always happy to help me whenever I needed it. Patrick is Miramar Development's digital marketing manager, and he really took me under his wing and taught me how to create those blog posts, track XEO, and fix website content. And I think my greatest contribution within this internship has been the blog posts I've been able to make for both University Village and Miramar Outlets websites. Blogs are a new initiative at Miramar Development as we recently acquired BrightEdge software. So, because it is a new initiative, I was able to help Patrick generate ideas, write, backlink, and upload the blogs, which really helped get this project off the ground. I actually had the opportunity to write the first blog, which went on the University Village website. and it has greatly boosted the SEO for all the websites we publish blogs on. And in return, I was able to learn about the production of blog posts and SEO targeted content that I can take with me to future roles. In terms of professionalism, although Miromar Development is my third internship experience, it is my first internship in an in person environment within an office, which is the type of role that I will want to assume after graduation. So, having the opportunity to work in person within an office environment has helped me greatly develop my professional demeanor. I've been able to learn how to ask questions, speak up in meetings, and practice respectable behavior within an office environment, which was something I was not used to because my former internships were remote and on campus, although the on campus one I mainly worked remotely. So, reflecting on how far I've grown, I now feel really confident in my professional etiquette and behaviors within an office environment, and I can understand how valuable professional development is within an office environment in person. For my connection to my coursework, early on in my internship, I attended an event for our University Village tenant, Hotworks Estero. It was hosting its 1 year anniversary, and as well as attending the event to get live footage, I had the opportunity to write a press release after. I was early on into my PR writing class, but I knew that this was an opportunity, a real world opportunity to take what I've learned, and I applied it. I also only had 20 to 30 minutes to write this, so I knew I had to take what I learned instead of taking extra time to look at other sources. And the release was a success. I was able to also convert it into a blog post and upload it to the University Village website, which was the first blog post for that website. And later on in the semester, I used that press release as a real world example within my portfolio project for PR writing. So it was really a full circle moment for me. And overall, my impact for my future career, this internship experience taught me critical skills for corporate marketing, such as content creation, SEO driven writing, and multi channel communication, which directly supports the career path I want to pursue. For education, as a marketing minor, I was able to apply what I am currently learning into a real world role. And it was really incredible to see how my studies will convert into that role, which helped me succeed in both my studies and my success within the internship. In terms of the field, this experience strengthened my understanding of the broader PR and digital marketing field by exposing me to industry standards and showing me that this is a direction I might want to pursue after graduation. And in terms of the greater community, my work on blogs, event coverage, and social media content help contribute to the visibility of local businesses that are tenants of University Village and Miramar outlets. And this also strengthened users' connections to these businesses and the community fostered by each outlet location, which I think was the highlight of my internship. Thank you for your time for watching this, and I hope you found it interesting. Thank you.